Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Erica and today's video is going to be another Chappell Roan video. I'm so excited. I love Chappell Roan. It's clearly obvious if you look at my page because I have two other Chappell Roan videos. I actually have another, other than this look, I actually have another idea for another look for Chappell Roan vibes. So I've been really enjoying making these videos. So basically today's makeup look is going to be on The Giver, but it's going to be the SNL performance version. It's not going to be, but I do love her whole campaign lately with like the plumber and the dentist. I have like a hair in my nose. Anyways, I do love all that. I love her campaign, but I decided I'm going to try to go for her SNL look because it was pretty intricate. And if I remember correctly, I believe her makeup artist for like most every single occasion she goes to, a special event, is Andrew Darling. I don't know if I'm saying that right, but I can put his Instagram up here because obviously all credit goes to him. I think he did her past looks as well, like the ones that I did my videos on. But anyways, that's what today's look's gonna be. So definitely stick around if you want to see how to get this look. And yeah, also follow my Instagram and my TikTok because I really enjoy posting TikToks and Reels because I feel like it's just a different vibe over there. Like I can add music and like, it's like a quick little, it's basically the way I think of it is it's like a quick tutorial of what this is. It's like a really quick summary recap. And then this video is like more into detail. But I will say, I feel like for this video, I might just like do like a montage moment where I play music over the whole thing and just show the products that I'm using. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And then the other thing I wanted to say though is that, oh my God, so if you follow my Instagram stories, I post stories here and there and I post stuff here and there. Anyways, I put out like a teaser that I was gonna do my Twilight video, and basically since I have two different Twilight ColourPop collections, I filmed one, right? And then my plan was to film the next one the day right after, and then I got sick and like a bunch of shit happened, and so it pushed me back a week, and then it pushed me back another week because I had to catch up for when I was sick. So basically that video is going to be after this one, so look out for that because I'm planning to post that pretty soon after this one. Since I'm like such a busy girl and I have like school and I have like projects, like non-school projects, you know, I've been trying to like think about how I'm gonna post because I still want to post over here, right? So I think I'm gonna try to like post at least once or twice a month. And since I already have this Twilight video idea, I don't want to jinx it, but I'm gonna manifest it that I'm pretty sure I'm gonna post twice this month, if not maybe 3. So yeah, look out for that. Look out for the Twilight video and look out for the second Chappell Roan look that I have an idea for. Okay, so let's go ahead and jump into this video. Okay, so I still need to look at my reference photo, but I do know I'm gonna block out the brows today. It's weird, like I'm definitely not a professional at blocking out the brows. I'm still very much learning. But it's kind of funny because like one video I did, it was flawless. Like the green Statue of Liberty look, that was probably the best brow block I ever got. So I'm just trying my best over here. Some days it comes out really good and some days it doesn't. And now I'm kind of forgetting. Oh yeah, I remember the technique now. I think you're supposed to brush them directly up. So that's what we're doing. So how was your guys's day and February, because now it's March? Oh my God, I hate when it does this. I need like a little comb or something. Today I went to this app, I called it an app. Today I went to this anti-capitalist clothing exchange where basically you bring a bunch of clothes and then you leave with clothes. Like you look through other people's clothes, and yeah, that's basically it. Oh my God, no. I hate when the glue starts getting like this. I need like a tissue or something. So now that I've glued the brows, I'm gonna go ahead and apply some powder on top. So now that I've done the glue, I'm gonna use my sponge. This time I'm gonna try it dry because I can't remember if you're supposed to wet it before or if you're not for the powder, but let's just do that. Let's just not. And then we're gonna go ahead and put powder right on top of these brows. I should probably watch a brow blocking video. I don't have time for that today. I'll do it for my next brow blocking look. I'll have to look up a tutorial, but today I'm just gonna wing it. Oh yeah, so I forgot to say, the whole reason I actually so basically I've been wanting to do this look. Like, I've been wanting to do something because, you know, Chappell has her new song, but I couldn't figure out what to do, except the other day I was thrifting with my friend and I found some good stuff, honestly. But the reason I decided to do this video is because I found these fucking earrings at the thrift store. Can you believe it? They're like the exact pattern as Chappell's top from The Giver, from her SNL version. So I was like, that's a slay. I need these earrings. They were $1. So I was like, okay, that settles that. I have to do the video now because now I have like a prop or whatever. Like now I have like something that actually matches. Because like this shirt, I just happen to have this shirt and it kind of matches the color, right? But I feel like the shirt on its own wouldn't wouldn't be a done deal. It wouldn't sell the look. But these, especially because I have like a makeup, since I'm doing a makeup look and it's going to be like on my reel, you're going to see my face. I feel like these are the perfect thing to like give it that vibe. So we love that. Okay. Now I'm going to actually go ahead and look at my photos, so I'll be right back. Okay, so I just applied some body paint because that's all I had. I don't think I have any face paint in white to my face. And don't zoom in too much because I swear it looks really patchy, but I swear to God, I'm gonna trust the process. Like that's the only way I got through my other videos, my other Chappell Roan videos. They're like quite complex, so it's gonna look a little funky before it looks cute. So just hang in there with me. But I think I'm gonna go ahead and start like the montage now. So yeah, I'll still show all the products I used, and basically I just set down this powder. I just set down this white paint with some powder, and the reason I'm doing this part first is because I'm going to do my eyes and then I'm going to do more white on my face, I believe. So that's the reason why, is because I don't want all the fallout to get directly on the white. That's like classic disaster. So okay, let's go ahead and get into this montage. Okay guys, so that completes this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I don't know why it looks like these. Every time I paint my face white, my teeth look super yellow, but that's just not a problem for today. That's just gonna be the way it's gonna be. Um, anyways, I really enjoyed this look. I kind of wanted to like give a side note to like why I've been really into Chappell Roan lately. And I just feel like we've been waiting all this time for like a new artist, like Lady Gaga vibes, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. I just feel like we've been waiting a long time for an artist who like has fun makeup. Like I remember whenever like Olivia Rodrigo came out with her Sour album and she had those all those rhinestones on her face, I was just like, wow, give me some more of this, give me some more crazy ass shit. So whenever Chappell Roan came out, or whenever I discovered her, because she had been around but I just didn't know about her. So yeah, ever since I discovered her, actually my friend told me about her, so credit where credit is due. But yeah, I just think she's a really cool artist and she's doing things that nobody else is doing, and she's not afraid to like do crazy makeup and like I don't know, it's just like if you're gonna do it, you might as well go all out. So that's what I love about her music and her vibe and her makeup artist vibe and her creative director Misha. So yeah, that's just what today's look is inspired by, and it's also, of course, like I said, inspired by the SNL performance because she ate that up. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you want me to do another Chappell look. I am so down. Like I said, I already have one planned, and if you guys have any ideas of like, oh, you should do this look from Chappell, then I will. And it's just really fun for me. Not gonna lie. So yeah, go ahead and follow my Instagram and my TikTok as well, because I'm gonna post a reel and it's gonna be a fun time. And yeah, subscribe down below, and if you like this video, go ahead and like it. And again, I just wanted to say thank you guys so much for taking time out of your day to spend with me. Your time is very valuable, so I really appreciate you hanging out with me for like however long this video is. I do not know, but yeah, hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.